Spyderco Tenacious G10 pocket knife. Best knife I ever had with me. I carry a knife every day. I use knives every day. And this is definitely the best that I have ever had. It's got a nice pocket clip. The textured handle. So you can see the textured handle. I like the hole here too instead of a stud. Quick release, locks nice. Sharp as a razor. I've had this for about 2 months and I do use it every day. I got the ones with the serrated edge here because a lot of times I do some cutting where a serrated edge really does the job. Fits nice in the pocket, it's thin. You don't even feel it on you. So I stick it in the pants pocket and you just grab it like this, pull it out of your pocket, boom, in your hand, boom, it's open. Nice and quick. I love the shape of the blade. I love the shape of the blade. Just a great looking knife. It's got a thumb rest right here. Put your finger here, it's in your hand. You do whatever you gotta do, it's not gonna slip out of your hand. Beautiful knife. Beautiful. Love this knife. Spyderco Tenacious G10. Serrated edge. The blade is 3 inches long. Folds up nice. But can it cut? Oh yeah, it cuts. Let me give you a little demonstration. Alright. This is a tie-down strap for a truck, for a flatbed. On the end of the tie-down straps we have chains. And when the strap goes bad, we cut the strap and then send the chain in so they can put new straps on it. See how this thing cuts. Thick ass strap. Serrated edge goes right in it there. Save that, send it in, and we throw the strap away. The Spyderco Tenacious G10. Awesome knife. Links in the description. Treat yourself to one of these. You won't be disappointed. Ciao.